Hi everyone. Did you know Kubernetes automatically retries failed job? But how many times? That's where backoff limit comes in. In a Kubernetes job, backoff limit controls how many times a pod is retried before giving up. So as you can see here in this job specification, I set the backup limit to 3. So the job will be retried for 3 number of times. And I set the restart policy to never. And in the command section, you can see that we're trying to simulate the failure here. So that's why we return the exit code as 1. So I'm just going to run this job, and then I'll just show how the backup limit configuration is used. Let me just apply the job is created. I'm just going to get the um, job details here. Yeah, the busy box job is created, and then I'm just going to get the pod details. So we have two pods here, both are in error status. So the first one is the initial run, and the second one is the first retry. So it's going to retry it for 2 more times. So in total we set the backup limit to 3, right? So it's going to retry it for 3 more times. So and the every pod will be created based on the exponential backup strategy. Yeah, the continuous creating. So this is the second retry. I got some other error. Yeah, I was facing some issue while trying to pull that image. That was resolved, but we ran into another issue because we are actually deliberately returning you the error code, right? So this is the third retry. Yeah, third retry is also ran into the same issue. So so it will now be retried for one more attempts. The you can just check the job status. The job status is also changed to error. Let me check the job status. Yeah, the job status changed to failed. Yeah, so you by using the backup limit, we can control the number of retries. By default, the job will be retried for 6 number of times, so that's the default value here. So we can also change one more configuration to the job specification. Let me delete the job first, and then I'm just going to so here we set the restart policy to never, and because of that a new pod was created every time. But if you don't want to create a new pod but want to restart the same pod means, then you can just change the restart policy to on failure. I'm just going to change it. I'm just going to execute that. I'm going to run the same job on again. Okay, let me run the same job. Okay, the job is created. I'm just going to get the list of pods here. So yeah, the if you just look at this section, so the pod is restarted like one time. So initial run, that's the that and then this is the first retry. And yeah, the pod got restarted one more time because of that failure. So we have to wait for some times. Yep. Now you might be wondering, there is no pod at all here, because if we set the restart policy to on failure, and after the last attempts the pod will be deleted forever. But you can verify the job status here. If you just check the job status, it is changed to failed. Yep, the job status is changed to failed here. Yep, by just using the backoff limit we can control the number of retries, and it is useful for us to handle the failures as well. If we don't set the if we don't set the value, then the default number of retries is 6. Thank you.